Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a sparkly holiday eye makeup look. So this is perfect for any holiday occasion. It's great even just for at home since, you know, we can't really go anywhere this year, but it still makes it feel more Christmassy and festive. So let's just get started. Okay, so what I'm just gonna do first is I'm going to curl my lashes and put on eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I really like it. Okay, so I think I'm just going to start by taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to take a light brown shade, this one right here, and just put that in my crease. Sorry if I'm looking over here, I've got a mirror, so. Okay, now the fun part. So I'm going to take the Sugar Rush Sparkler Stick. So this is in the shade Bronze, but they have a couple different colors. So basically it's this stick, but it's a stick of sparkly eyeshadow. So you basically just rub it on like a crayon. So I'm gonna do that, but mainly focusing on the inner half of my eye. So I'm just gonna take it and rub it on. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna rub it in more in a minute. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna blend it out. You gotta do this quick, otherwise it will dry because it dries super fast. It's super duper pretty. So then next on the outer V, I'm just gonna take this dark gray color. And I'm gonna take that on more of a pencil brush. This one's a lot fluffier, but so I'm just gonna take that and we're gonna make the outer V. So one line in the crease, one line on your lower lash line. And same thing on the other eye. Okay, then we're gonna go back to that fluffy brush, make sure there's not anything on it, and blend everything together. So I like to start by going back and forth, and then I'll come to the side and blend out the bottom of it. And I kind of make little circles. So we're gonna take a break from that for just a second. I guess if you want to, now is the time where you can clean up underneath, or if you want to do your face makeup or whatever. I forgot to say that. I already did most of my face makeup, so you can do that whenever in the stage, but this is more of an eye tutorial. But I'm gonna take a white eyeliner and I'm gonna put it in the corner of my eye. So I usually do a line there and a line there. And then I rub that in with my finger. Then we're gonna put it in the waterline as well. So then I'm going to take a super duper white sparkly shade. You can use an eyeshadow or you can use a highlighter. So I'm going to be taking this one right here and putting that in my inner corner. And what you can also do is you can drag that. So you put it here and you can drag it up onto your eyelid too, to make the center of it even more sparkly, because it's sheer enough that it won't cover up the sparkles we already put on, but it makes it more wider and makes it look more dimensional. That's what's great about this look too, is you can change it and do whatever you want. So this is more of what I like and I do, because I've done something similar to this so much. I did this super duper similar to this last year when I went to a concert, but it's just fun and sparkly and super duper easy, and you can change out and swap out the colors. So like summer more so, I will swap out the grays for browns. I just really like gray and winter. Like silver, it's perfect. And if you want, you can take that same sparkly color and put it on your brow bone, or you can do that with your actual highlighter in a minute. I just like this one. I would totally use this as a highlighter, but it's like just such a tiny little eyeshadow. I don't want to use it up, but it's so pretty. I'm just a sucker for white eyeshadow. Now I have sucker stuck in my head. And something I might use instead of the sparkler stick, if I'm trying to do this look, is liquid eyeshadow. So these are my favorite. They're the Tarte Sea Glass, but they're kind of the same thing, but they're just liquid. I just liked the color of this one better for the holidays, so that's why I'm doing this. They work interchangeably. They both kind of just have the same look at the end. One's just cream and one's a pencil. Alright, so just play around with your eyeshadow till you get it how you like it. We're going to move on. So eyeliner. This is another one that's kind of, you could do whatever you want. Something I've done a lot is glitter eyeliner. It depends on how sparkly your eyeshadow is, because if you do sparkly eyeliner on top of sparkly eyeshadow, it won't always show up. So I'm not gonna do that. But I'm going to take this green eyeliner. It's not super duper green. Oh, it's not gonna focus. Come on. I don't think it's gonna focus, but it's not super green. It's a really, really dark green, but it's enough green that I still like to pretend that it feels more festive than just like black or something. But it is the Wonder Ombre. I'm totally gonna mispronounce this, but it's from Rimmel London. Rimmel. Sorry, I don't know how if I said that right, but I think I got it at Target. I'm not 100% positive. But what I'm just gonna do with that is I'm just going to line my eyes. Typically say like green eyeliner would be super duper fun with this for Christmas. And what I kind of like to do with eyeliner is I like to line a little tiny bit, and then I'll take my finger and I'll smudge it. You could also use a smudger brush, and then if you need to after you smudge it out, then you can go in and add more. And that helps it from getting too like thick and chunky in weird places if I go slowly. And then we're gonna do that. Okay, and then once I kind of do the basic just line of eyeliner, sometimes I'll just take it and kind of tap the end of it like that and smooth it up with my finger, and it gives you sort of the wing without being a full-blown winged eyeliner. I like the look of it because it doesn't look like it just randomly stops. Because it's not a full wing by any means, but it kind of just seamlessly ends it all together in my opinion. Okay, and then if you want to do any on the bottom, go for it. I think I might do some just in the corner because you'll be able to see the green a little bit better. I really wish this was greener. This is the only green makeup I have. Oh, have you guys seen the ColourPop Baby Yoda palette? I'm obsessed with it. It's been sold out so long, but I'm like still hoping there's a chance that I might get it for Christmas because I want it so badly. But I don't know if it ever has come back in stock yet. But do you guys have it? Do you like it? Okay, and now I'm just going to put on mascara. You don't have to curl your eyelashes at the beginning. I personally like to, just because if I wait, I have to wait forever, because if it's liquid eyeliner, that has to dry, or it takes off my eyeshadow, so then I have this awkward line. So I just do mine before I do everything. But if you want to do that, you could do that now. And then I'm just going to put on some mascara. So if I was actually wearing this, you know, outside of the house, or like when I went to the concert, or if you were going to like a Christmas party, but since none of that's happening this year because we're all home for Christmas, I'm not gonna use waterproof mascara, but usually I would, because normal mascara does not stay on me. I don't know why. But this is the Tarte Big Ego. I've used this several times. I really like it. So I think I've shown it in like every makeup tutorial I've ever done. But I have this weird way of doing my mascara. So I do it twice, just brushing up like normal. And then I will come back and show you the next step. Oh, I learned this new trick. My friend made this video where she shows you how she does her bottom mascara, and I always have such a hard time with bottom mascara, but I always kind of just put it on, like put my top mascara on where you kind of wiggle it or that kind of thing. But what she does is she literally just pulls straight down, and it takes a little bit longer, but it is so much worth it because you get so much less on it so it doesn't clump, but then you still have it. Because I'm blonde, so it looked really awkward when I only put mascara on half of my eyelashes, but this is life-changing. Like, you literally just slowly brush them down and take your time, and it works so well. If you want to go find the video, I think it was on her Instagram. It's a Princess in Progress. I can put it up here, but like, I highly recommend. Okay, so once you've done your mascara like normal, what we're gonna do, and I've showed this, so I'm just gonna do a sped up version, is you put the brush on the top of your lashes and slightly twist it up, and then you fix it, and then the top, and you twist it, and then up. And this just coats all of your lashes and makes them so much longer. and it looks really well. And again, that helps with the blonde thing, because if you miss eyelashes, then they look all separated weird. But this makes sure you get all of them. But you want to make sure you don't have a ton of mascara on your brush, otherwise it'll get all over your eyelid. And then you just brush them through again if you need to fix them at the end, and that's it. Okay, and that is it for the eyes. Now I'm just going to take some blush. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Dazzled. I really like it. It's like very, very light. Oh, come on. It's very light, so it's really pretty. And you just put that on your cheekbones. It's so funny because I always have such a hard time finding blush because I'm so pale. So like, I don't like pink because it shows up like crazy. And I don't want something crazy amount. I just want a little bit so that I don't like look just completely pale. Just some color because I don't have any. Okay, and highlighter, which is like one of my favorite parts. You can really just do whatever highlighter you want. I have this highlighter that came in an eyeshadow palette, except that the eyeshadow palette isn't sold anymore, but it's the super duper pretty white. Oop. It's like the whitest of white highlighters, and I really like the white ones. So I put that on my cheekbones, my nose. And if you didn't put the eyeshadow in your eyebrows or your inner corner yet, you can do that with the highlighter. My mom said one time that if you put highlighter on your chin, it makes you look less dry, and I have super dry skin. And every time since that day, I've put it on my chin. Okay, and next we have lips. So this is more of a personal preference. You can kind of do whatever you want. But I'm gonna take the super sparkly clear lip gloss. It's the Tarte lip paint, but I feel like it was limited edition, so they probably don't sell it anymore. But I really like it because it tastes like caramel. So I'm just gonna put that a little bit on. So I like a little bit of that, and it tastes super duper good. And then the final step is I would just spray it with some setting spray. And that's it. This is what the finished eyeshadow looks like. It's super fun, super easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video, and let me know if you try this and how you like it. I always think sparkles are Christmassy, so that's why I decided to do this. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload. Let me know what other videos you would like to see. There's probably only one more Christmas video this year, so if there's anything you want to see, you gotta let me know now. I hope that you all have a really good Christmas. Merry almost Christmas. It is so close, I can't believe it. And we've got a little Christmassy Baymax back here, and I am in my Christmas Lindsay Sterling warmer in the winter shirt. To see more videos of me, click over here, and I will see you all soon. Have a Merry Magical Monday. Bye.